RPS School online classes of class 10th, chapter 2, acid, base and salt. What is acid? Acid is a sour substance. The taste of the food is due to presence of acid and base in them. Acid is defined as one which produce hydrogen ions in water. For example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. Sulfuric acid is known as king of acid. They give sour taste. Acid turn blue litmus to red. This is used as confirmation test for the presence of acid. When acid react with metal, gases are evolved. Reaction with acid, reaction of acid with metal. Acid plus metal give rise to salt plus hydrogen gas. Example, magnesium, that is a metal, plus H2SO4, sulfuric acid react to form hydrogen gas plus magnesium sulfate. How you can detect hydrogen gas? You have to just pass the gas through a soap solution and you have to put a burning matchstick near the bubbles. If it will burn with a pop sound, then it indicate the presence of hydrogen gas. Reaction of acid with carbonates, Na2CO3 sodium bicarbonate plus HCl react to form NaCl, 2 molecules of NaCl, that is common salt, plus H2O, that is a liquid, and in this carbon dioxide gas is released. How you can detect that carbon dioxide gas is released? When you put a burning matchstick or candle near the gas, then it will stop burning because carbon dioxide acts as a fire extinguisher. In third reaction of acid with bicarbonates, NaHCO3 plus HCl react to form NaCl plus H2O, water, and carbon dioxide gas is produced. Now, what is the main similarity between acid and base? What is the main similarity between acid and base? Both acid and base react with water. They produce ions in water. Both acid and base react as electrolytes. So, they are good conductor of electricity. How do you say, what do you mean by electrolytes? First of all, electrolytes are having positive or negative charge, like NaOH will divide into Na positive and OH negative. Both of them charge changes the color of litmus paper because there will be the change of the litmus paper color due to presence of acid and bases both. Now, further moving to the classification of acid. Acid are classified as organic acid and mineral acid. Acid which are derived from the plant and animal, they are known as organic acid. For example, citric acid from the fruit, citrus fruit. Mineral acid or inorganic acid such as sulfuric acid, they are dangerous to be used, so need more precautions. Now, acid are also classified as strong acid or weak acid. Strong acid is an acid that completely dissociates into the ions in aqueous solution. For example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. HCl is hydrochloric acid plus H2O. It will give rise to H3O positive ions plus Cl negative ions. Weak acid is the one which does not dissociate completely into the ion in aqueous solution. For example, acetic acid, CH3COOH plus H2O give rise to CH3COO negative plus H positive. Dilution of acid. Acid can also be as diluted acid. They can be used as dilute acid and concentrated acid. The amount of acid is more in concentrated as compared to dilute acid. The one which has low concentration of acid in aqueous solution, they are known as dilute acid, whereas the one which is having high concentration of acid in aqueous solution are known as concentrated acid. It is advisable to add acid to water and not water to the acid because large amount of heat is released. If water is added to the acid, this released heat is large enough to cause harm. It can break the flask also and it can give you severe burns. Now, acid can also be classified based on the number of hydrogen ions present in that. Monoprotic acid. Monoprotic acid is one which give 1 mole of hydrogen ions per mole of acid, such as HCl. Diprotic acid is the one which produce 2 moles of hydrogen ions per mole of acid. For example, H2SO4.